So we're at the parlor and we got some ice cream stuffed with donut stuffed with ice cream. Good morning. It's our last day here in California, and then we fly out tomorrow morning. So we're on our way to the waffle experience. We're starting off with a wonderful waffle experience, and we are so excited and we can't wait. And then we leave early tomorrow morning, but we'll be so happy because we have been able to experience the waffle.
Remember that restaurant in Utah that they gave us?
Just waiting in line for our waffles.
I get those angles.
Yeah.
Do you want to put my face in there too? You know,
Whoa. That looks good. What did you, oh, you got the feta thing.
What's your review?
Unbelievable. Heaven.
What about you?
really good.
What was the best part?
The banana rama.
Oh, here's what the banana looks like. What was
Stupendous.
which
That
part?
was a spinach roll that really was awesome. I had the Jimmy the Greek.
We're about to take these electric bikes around Old Town Sacramento and around the river. Nothing. No. We currently have gone 5 miles, but we haven't actually biked it because these are electric. But you can pedal, but it's also electric, and you just pull that little throttle. So we're at the parlor and we got some ice cream stuffed with donut stuffed with ice cream.
Hot donut.
That's pretty good. I like how it's cold.
But it's not.
It's cold and
not.
hot.
I'm almost already done. It's bad if I lick this.
It's chocolate
That was
with
my
graham crackers, cookie
butter.
cookie butter. I got Oreos in mine.
And that made a difference.
No. Price difference.
She might not add this into the vlog, but we were in Old Town Sacramento and we witnessed a crime. What happens there? Sarah was part of it.
I want to talk about it.
Yeah, it was honestly just weird. It was just this bum and he broke glass on the windows. I'm sure that my sister and my mom were in. It was messed up. Cops came.
It's been a great week, but tomorrow we are flying out
All right, here's the clue.
and heading back to the East Coast.
Of the order.